you're out here today with a North High alum, Tyson Sanchez, and his food truck, Degas on Wheels, helping you raise money to go to a national competition. Tell us about the competition briefly and what it means to have such support from graduates at North.
So the competition itself is going to take place in Seattle. We're going to leave the 28th of June. We'll be back the 3rd of July. So it's like a week-long competition. I qualified and placed gold at state, which means we qualified to go to nationals. So we were given a rubric almost, and we're going to compete with 50 other people from 50 other states, and there can only be one winner, so that'll be fun. I really appreciate all the support that we've been getting from the community and alumni such as Tyson. It's been amazing to see other people come out and support us, because ultimately we're going back to them in the industry in a couple years anyway.